Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload longer videos on Snapchat. Previously, Snapchat allowed video recording up to 10 seconds. It is still the same, but now people can record 6 consecutive videos of 10 seconds each. Snapchat should string all the videos together to make it a 60-second long one. Recording long videos is a straightforward process. You just need to make a small tweak. Here's how to do it. On Snapchat, tap on the camera by tapping on the camera tab at the bottom left. Choose the filter and camera you wish to use, and point the camera toward the subject of the recording. Press and hold the white record button in the center, and the button will turn red or yellow as the recording starts. A white circle ring would start to fill up around the record button, indicating the 10 seconds mark. And it should continue 6 times if you keep on holding the record button. Once the 60 seconds are over, or when you remove the finger from the recording button, the videos would be stringed together and played to you in sequence. You can now watch, edit, add stickers and filters, etc. before tapping on the Save option. It would be saved in the Snapchat Memories section. And that's all. And it is extremely easy to send the video to others. Just open the video, tap on the Send to button, and choose the people you want to share the videos with. The process is slightly different if you want to post the video as a story. For that, you need to go to the Story tab and press the plus icon in the bottom left. Choose the video from the Snapchat Memories section and upload it to your story. Since Snapchat does not allow sending longer and heavier videos, you need to take a different path to do so. Record a video as long as you want and drop it in the Dropbox. Create a shareable link on the app and share the same with others via Snapchat or any other mode of sharing. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.